Wagwan people, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. So if you're a new viewer, if it's your first time here, please click the subscribe button and turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever JV Radio upload a content. Now as I to the topic, and let me just say this from first. You see, when you say mix up, you call me name. So watch ya, me did Afi come talk about this. Me did Afi come talk about this. Some people, Spice got some boops. I make a post on her IG. She make a post on her IG and guess what? Our baby father go see it, me don't know him see it. But him see it and him did respond to Spice in a awful and disrespectful way. I say a word call? Yeah, something like that. I'm a people, we're here to talk about it. You don't know, that's what we do. So, we're here to talk about it. So, again, if you're new viewer, make sure you subscribe now and click the bell icon to turn on the post notification. Everybody knows that back to school and thing, and people kind of buy up them things. So, back to school, them youth forgot school and all these things. And I know, when they come on to back to school, one of the most expensive thing on earth, apart from buying a house and buying a car, are going to the strip club and spending millions of dollars on strippers. No more people, Spice decide to say, here one, may I show some shades. She not just buy the book, them are just for poor sake. She did call the youth name and say, what you know, Nicholas. As you can see on the screen, no, see it there. So, what you know, Spice, as it appears as if she's in one of those bookshop or one of those school book places or whatever the name is, purchasing some stuff for their children to go to back to school or online back to school, whichever way. You get me? And she decides, you wanna, we're gonna show some shades. And she said some things, you see it, and as I can see, she has say, yo, since as you say, me a worse mother and me a witch, make me get the broom. So she did get the broom of viewer subscribers, and then she started saying, Nicholas, school book a buy, where you there? Then she continue and say, or you are wait until school bills over if you come on IG, come post me, picnic them and chat off your stinking mouth. And she continue again, Nicholas, lol. You not try buy even one exercise book, you would? Not even 1 year? Yeah, so she doing bad over there. Now more viewer subscribers. If you know the full 100 now use something like this, you gotta say, yo, but blow wow. Your man here is really a deadbeat father. Not even one exercise book. No, think about it. One exercise book is like $110, $120. Now if him can't even buy one book. Yeah, one book. No, this man here is more than just a deadbeat father. Put it the way there. Yeah. So also now, I saw it go. That's how Spice I make we know. No more viewer subscribers, Nicholas never dare take that because really and truly, if him never answer, or even if him answer, people still have it as same as a deadbeat father is here. Because a Spice says so, of course. So people are gonna believe it because Spice have a wide fan base, and if she say the moon is triangle or the moon is a box, then people are gonna believe. So what you know, the man just did what him have to do, or him do what him have to do, him respond, which me I give you my opinion in the last part. So this is what the man say. As I can see on the screen, my viewer subscribers now look good. You see it. So him come out strong, him come out really strong. So him come out and say, yo, when will this witch stop walk and jog my name down? Bitch, you block me on all medium. All the F I'm supposed to do shit when you block me. You you like the attention that you get from your F dumbass followers when you call my name. Whenever you not getting the attention you need on social media, you call my name to stay relevant. Leave my name out of your out of your mouth, which you don't think you done enough damage to me already. You stole 10 years of my life. Me blow. Let me live now. Why am I so important? Germs, send me your Zelly info. Furthermore, I ask you if the kids are going to be here in America or Jamaica for school so I could send you money before you block me. Dark shit. I know you're trying to stay relevant, but this is not the way. Find song. Stop spread rumors. I wish I wish could. And if you continue to call my name, you will hear from my lawyer. Yeah. Number of viewers, subscribers. Is a man make a post like that still. It's not a woman. So Nicholas him name. No. Time for me to know my honest opinion now. Him say him have to say, you get me, we are human being, so me not gonna tell you if him wrong for post or if him wrong for reply. No. I just want to know this, first and foremost. Right? And everybody still the same. Like me personally, now I go back and forth with a female pan Instagram or on social media. However, if it's a case where that person is dragging my name and it can tarnish my reputation or it can tarnish my image or character, of course I will respond again. But me not go back and forth. If me say something at once and it just done, anything else, legal or illegal, yeah, so it all go. No, me think it alright. Am I saying it's okay for him to not reply, or is it okay for him to reply? No, I'm just saying that everybody is different, and for me, from me say it once, me now go over it again. No more people, we are human beings, so it kind of feel a way. Not everybody deal with certain situation as how we deal with it. So that mean if him want to reply, then him fine, him can reply. A lot of people say yo, him a move like him is a girl, him a go back and forth with spice. But man, you know if you understand no my youth, yo, one of the worst things somebody can say to you as a parent or as a to you as a man is that you not take care of your youth, and especially if them a drag it. Yo, you can't even buy a textbook, a book worth it 110 or $60. So you have to understand, so you're the man I go answer back. Now my people, this is a back and forth situation. Me surprised how Spice just bring it up out of the blue moon, because a long time we not really hear nothing about this. A lot, me I tell you, good while now. Me don't know what flip now, what happen make Spice deal with him so, but me feel like Spice could go about it different. Like Spice, you done did make you know so him is a deadbeat father. So you need to come again on social media and do him so. You get me, knowing that your followers them I go deal with him wicked now. Them I go roast him. Me can't imagine how them a deal with him wicked right now. You get me? So me think you can deal with it in a way where if it's a case where him nah put or contribute towards you with them, you kinda link him personally or take it up legally then. Me no feel I should just come on social media so and deal with him so. You get me? And as for Nicholas, yo Nicholas, what's your name my youth? I don't even know if it's still no, but you do what you have to do still, but if you couldn't deal with it different still, you get me, this long paragraph I say some things that even really did necessary. You couldn't just adjust the situation, make the people and know see us, you know, you try to link her, but for some reason she block up on all medium or all platform, and that's it. You need to have to go in details. I wish I could and you know, Anifar and all them things and all of this dog shit bitch, and that kind of sound like a chasing thing, like some, you know, so that's how me have to tell my viewers, subscribers, but watch you know, I want your phone opinion. Want to think about the matter, and I think Spice did the right thing by coming on social media to just jag the youth like that, or you think Nicholas could just be on a reply? Comment in the comment section below. Me know. Until next time, just vibes, you know. I'm out.